Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix can't read from the source file or disk error on Windows 10, 11, 8 or 7. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on start. Now type here cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, type chk dsk space your local drive letter C semicolon slash F, and if your local hard drive letter is different, you can check from here. Open File Explorer, then this PC. So once you see this drive icon, so it's mean it's your hard drive. So in my case it's C, maybe here is the C. So type chkdsk space C semicolon slash F, then press enter. Now type Y, then press enter. This volume will be checked the next time the system restart. Now close it, and guys, you have to restart. So this way you can fix and resolve can't read from the source file or disk error on Windows 10, 8, 7 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.